Hi everyone. Today's lesson is about another family of Arabic alphabet. So let's get started. So we're gonna do this and this way, like semicircle, but it's like oblique. This part is not like fully circle. So and it's harmful. Del, del like dead dog, and the other one same shape, and we said in Arabic just the dots that differentiates the letters. So another dot here, and it will be dhal, like this, that, this person, that chair. So del and dhal. All right, l- let's do. Let's write them with harakats. Okay, so I'm just gonna erase this one here, the dots. So I'm gonna write this del many times, so I'm gonna make harakat with that. Okay, so I'm gonna do the harakat. So fatha, del, fatha, right, you got it, da, del, damma, do, del, kasra, di, del, sukun, d, del, dammatan, dun, حسن جدا. So if you're new to the channel, you can just go to playlist, find Arabic letters, or and you're gonna find all this short halakat and long vowels. Okay, so da, this is do, this is di, this is just d, this is dun. All right, now let's write them with long vowels. So here da, long vowel which goes with fatha is alif, da. Here you can see I didn't attach it, so del is not friendly. It doesn't hold the next letter, okay? Put it in your mind. Do, so damma goes with waw, do. And d, it goes with ya, and it's d. So long vowel. Let's read it again. Da, yes, do, di, d, dun. With long vowel, de, da, do, ti. حسن جدا. Now, for the other one, so I don't want the video will be long, so I'm gonna just add the dots, okay? So dots in here, in here. So the, I'm gonna erase this because it's not the, but it's the tip of my tongue between my teeth. I'm gonna erase this, just give me a second here. Okay, so the, tho, the with سكون حسن جدا. The with ضمتان ذن with long vowel ألف ذا, long vowel واو ذو, with long vowel يا ذي. حسن جدا. Let's get some word. I'm gonna say this one here at the beginning like this, but it's not friendly. It will not hold the ba. So da with the maddo. This is shadda, but I will get another video for this. Dubbun, dubbun. Dubbun is bear. Dubbun is bear. Okay, let's just do this. Raise this bear. And let's do at the end of the word. So this is harfu جيم حسن جدا with فتحة ج. Then dal, it's attached because jim is friendly. It will attach dal. So this is another shadda here. Jaddun, jaddun. If you know all these letters, we already saw them in other lessons. Okay, jaddun, what do you think? It's grandfather, grandfather. حسن جدا. Now let's the let me write it this way with jim the and another jim because alif also is not friendly. He will not hold the jim at the end. So so dajajun, dajajun. So dajajun. Dajajun is chicken. Now you can read this word. Very good. أحسنتم. دب جاد دجاج. Okay, let me erase this, or maybe I'm gonna just write here for harf dal. I have alif with hamza and kasra is at the end. I cannot write. I'm gonna just clear everything, then write it here. Okay, so alif, hamza at the bottom, and kasra e. Then dhal with fatha and alif إذا, because this one is not friendly, dhal is not friendly, so that's why إذا. إذا is if. معناها if إذا. Now this letter, do you remember? But the snoring one والدمة خو, حرف الخاء والدمة خو. Then so here dal kha is friendly like jim. خذ, خذ هذه تفاحة. Take this apple. This is take. So إذا it's if, خذ is take. So with this I end my lesson. So see you next time. Bye bye. مع السلامة.